Well, we're kind of excited today. We've been looking forward to this day for a long time. Our office equipment's coming in and most of the inside is done, so by this evening we should have 6 or 8 cubicles set in here, and we're getting some new desks for the new office, for the old office actually. So yeah, we're looking forward to getting some people moved out here and having some more room in the old office.
Yes, my name is Trey, and I'm here at Hostetler Roofing in Nashville, Arkansas. I'm representing Cousins Office Furniture, and we're here doing an install on the new building that Hostetler Roofing has built. Some L-shaped return desks and some new panels and cubicles. We're going to see how it's going to go in the future. Stay tuned to see the rest. Thank you.
Hostetler Roofing. I'm here with Trey from Cousins Furniture out of Conway. I just want to give a shout out to the Cousins Furniture team. Trey, Will, Roger, and our sales rep Micah. Man, y'all did a fantastic job. We've been planning this whole thing out since November. Trevor and I have been in heated discussions trying to determine what was the best way to utilize our space. And man, these guys really brought our dream to reality, and it looks great. Trey, thanks so much, man.
Yes, sir. It was our pleasure.
If y'all need some furniture, check out Cousins Office Furniture in Conway. If you need a roof, give us a call, 870-557-4797. Thanks so much.